In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily create a calendar view in SharePoint using a modern list setup. If you're looking to effectively organize your events or tasks, this method will suit your needs perfectly and is incredibly straightforward to set up. Let's dive into the step-by-step instructions to get you started with creating a calendar view using a SharePoint list. First, you'll want to navigate to your SharePoint site. This is where all the magic happens. Now, once you're there, and if you haven't already created a list specifically for your events, you're going to need to do that first. To create a new list, look for the New button, usually found in your site's navigation panel, and click on List. Choose Blank List to start from scratch. Here, you'll have the opportunity to give your list a name. Something like Events Calendar could be quite fitting, but feel free to choose whatever suits your needs best. Next, you'll need to add some columns to your list. This step is crucial as it will define how your calendar displays information. Focus on adding at least one date and time column. Typically, for events that might last over multiple days, having two columns, say start date and end date, can be really helpful. Customize these columns according to your requirements to better organize your information. After setting up the columns, go ahead and add some items, which are essentially your test events. Include a few dates to help you visualize how they will appear once you've switched to calendar view. It's beneficial to have some sample items in place, as they offer a clear picture of the end result. Now, let's proceed to create the calendar view itself. Head over to your list and find the View's drop-down menu. It might currently display something like All Items, so click on it. From the options available, select Create New View. This will open a dialog box where you can specify how your calendar will look and function. In the dialog box, you'll want to give your view a name. Something like Calendar View keeps it nice and clear. Under Show As, choose the Calendar option to ensure your list items display with a calendar format. You'll also need to indicate which column represents the start date and which one is for the end date. If you opted for a single date column, simply select the same column for both start and end dates. To enhance your calendar's usability, you can decide which column will serve as the title on the calendar. The title column is often a common choice, but you can select any other field that might be more descriptive for your needs. Once you're satisfied with these settings, hit Create. And there you have it, a simple and effective calendar view in SharePoint Online. You can now easily manage and track your events in a streamlined manner. Enjoy your new calendar, and happy planning.